Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to erase all your personal data if you want to do that. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey guys, so it's a pretty easy setting to do if you want to do that. So all you need to do is just go to the car button down here, go to service, and then factory reset. So basically, a couple reasons why you'd want to do this is one, maybe there's some sort of bug or something's just not working right and you can't figure out what it is. So a lot of times what you can do is just reset everything to default. So actually, funny story on my camera here, I had to do that one time because there was just way too much light exposure and I couldn't figure out what was going on. So I just did a factory reset and then it fixed it. So same thing, because we have a computer on wheels. You could do the same thing if there's something weird that you just can't figure out. Factory reset. Or another reason to do this is if you're selling the car. So obviously if you're selling the car, you don't want to have all your settings and all your personal data on the car when somebody else gets the car from you. So you can do a factory reset, set everything to default, and then sell the car, and then the new owner can do whatever they want. So all you need to do is just hit factory reset. And then what it's going to do is it's going to ask you for your Tesla account, email address, your password. Once you put that in, hit continue, then it'll factory reset everything. So this is just like the fail safe, so you don't accidentally do it and screw up and, clear all your settings that you have, because that would be kind of a pain in the butt to have to reset all that stuff when you didn't mean to. So that's all you need to do. Pretty simple. So hope that was helpful if that's, what you're looking for. If you thought the video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.